Hi, my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Capricorns, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of May 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, the messages could be split in two groups only, okay? Clear cut two group of people, two energies, two set of energies that I was connecting to. For some of you guys, some things are going to end, okay? Some things are definitely coming to an end. It could be a karmic connection that is ending, okay? Someone with whom you had some karmic debts to repay, whatever you want to say, and you're done with that, and now you're drifting apart, okay? Now it could be any bond for that matter. It could be a friendship, it could be a bond between two cousins, two siblings, or it could be husband wife, okay? You had come together in this lifetime for repaying your karmic debts, and that is done, and now you're drifting apart. Yes, the phase is difficult. It is definitely painful. Some of you guys are reeling in the energy of 3 of swords and 10 of swords, which is very, very painful energy. But like I said, the things have happened the way they have because you had some karmic connection, okay? No doubt about that. For another group of people, I saw that some of you guys are going to meet your soulmate. I saw the divine counterpart energy, a king of wands and queen of wands, a power couple, a soulmate couple, or divine counterpart, whatever you want to call. This person, whoever it is that you are meeting, is extremely mature, very, very passionate about life in general. Both of you, by the way, might have strong fire in your charts. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, okay? Need not be, but the possibility is very high. You guys are very, very passionate. The other person finds you very, very confident, very, very fiery kind of energy, okay? Who is very sure of himself or herself, okay? Four of wands is what I saw a lot of times, okay? 10 of Pentacles was there, 9 of Pentacles was there, 10 of Cups, Ace of Cups. All the cards signify that you guys are going to get into a committed relationship, which is marriage, okay? Marriage is for sure on cards for some of you guys, and either of you or even both of you could be very, very rich, okay? Very, very rich is what I saw. It's a very powerful couple, in every sense, okay? In every sense, there is a lot of love, there is a lot of passion between these two people. You two are not very, very young, okay? You guys are definitely in your either minimum in your 30s, okay? Minimum in your 30s, or even for some of you guys it could be you are in 40s, okay? That could also be the case for some of you guys. Yeah, so by and large, guys, those were the messages that were coming through. Conclusions are within reach. The angels are asking you to wait and surrender to the divine, okay? Wait and surrender to the divine. Do not rush into things. Things are going to come to its conclusion within next few, I think it was weeks, within next few weeks. So please have patience until then. And there are also, yeah, if some of you guys are going through some legal battle or anything like that, okay, or some sort of conflict, then the angels are saying that the result will not be 100% in your favor. You'll have to do some adjustments here and there, but win-win outcome is forecast, okay? Whatever the outcome would be, it would be not disappointing, okay? You'll be okay with it. That's the kind of message I was getting very, very strongly, okay? So some adjustments here and there definitely will be needed, Capris, and you should be prepared for that, okay? It's not going to be very bad, okay? So with that, let's get started and see what messages we have. Oh my god, Federico, yeah, you are definitely lot of emotional clutter. I saw that, okay? I definitely saw that while pre-shuffling also. Yeah, wow, oh my god. Wow. Something related to karma is happening for you guys, okay? Something related to karma. Some karmic debts, like I said. See, there you go. There are so many fours. Have I pulled all fours? Not yet, right? Yeah. Ten of swords, I told you, right? Some things are page of cups. Yes, someone is going to come and communicate with you. Page of pentacles. Oh my god, the sun. I am definitely going to stop at that. The reading gets really lengthy, but the message is very in sync with the pre-shuffling message. Okay. Yeah. So guys, in your recent past, I see there is Four of Cups and Nine of Cups. So definitely you guys were, you guys are disappointed about something. Okay, you are really, really disappointed, and that was kind of putting you in a very low energy, low vibe. Okay, you were losing your focus. You were just kind of looking at things that were going wrong for you. So this could probably, this might have actually probably kept you out of your or away from your dreams, or what could really be nice and better for you. Okay, there are some good energies that are wanting or waiting to enter your life, but you are not prepared for it. Okay, you are just focused on the things that are going wrong in your life, in which case, Capricorns, please do not do that. See, there is this mermaid over here. She's holding one brand new cup, and she's just waiting for you to get ready. Okay, the universe is holding new beginnings for you guys, and all you're doing is sitting there, sitting bored, sitting feeling stuck, and you're not at all focusing on what could be. Okay, what beautiful energies or what beautiful tomorrow might be lined up for you. Okay, beautiful new beginnings could be lined up for you. So just dust it off, guys. As soon as you do that, your wishes are going to come true, your dreams are going to come true. You're very close to achieving your dreams, guys, but all you need to do is open up, be open to receive. Okay, be open to receive the blessings that the universe is wanting to offer to you. Okay, for some of you guys are definitely someone's wish come true. That person, that energy is really, really wanting to come into your life. All you need to do is, instead of down, you need to look up. Okay, look up and welcome this energy. Okay, strong water energy in this reading, guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. If at all you have water in your birth chart anywhere, or if you are dealing with fellow water sign, please do check out those readings as well. Okay, in your current energy, I see Seven of Cups, there is Knight of Cups. So again, I see a lot of emotional clutter in your or mental clutter that is going on for some of you guys. Okay, you guys are feeling muddled up, you guys are feeling dazed, you guys are feeling confused. Okay, but like I said, all you need to do is rest it out. Just rest it out and let go of it, guys. There are brand new beginnings waiting for you. See, look at this energy. Knight of Cups and Ace of Wands. This knight is actually waiting or wanting to come and offer his or her cup to you, and begin a brand new have a brand new start with you guys. Okay, passionate brand new start with you. But all you need to do is you need to clear the road. Okay, you need to clear the path for this knight to enter into your life. Okay, same message coming through very, very strongly, guys. I also feel that some of you guys have options. Okay, some of you guys could be dating actively. You have multiple options, you're interacting with multiple people, and one of them is kind of super duper interested in you, is what I'm getting. Is there is Knight of Cups and there is Page of Cups also. Someone is definitely going to step up or level up in the game, and going to express his or her feelings towards you, is what I'm seeing very, very clearly. You're going to hear from this person. You're going to receive a message, a very sweet and cute message from this person, is what I'm getting, guys. This person could be young at heart. Okay, not by age, but could be very, very young at heart. Will be very, very creative. Okay, very, very creative. That person will pop up or express his or her feelings towards you in a very creative and in a very cute manner, is what I'm getting. It's a very, very sweet energy, guys. And please dust the past, let the past be past, let the bygones be bygones, and open up. Okay, just open up. Beautiful, passionate, brand new openings are awaiting for you guys. Okay, in your immediate future there is four of swords and there is ace of wands. You need to let go of the past, you need to shut down the past, you need to cut cord with the past energies. Okay, and as soon as you do that, you will see the new energies entering you into your life. Now this could be related to your professional side as well. Okay, once you let go of the negative aspect, okay, let go of the not so good aspects of your job or of your profession or of your business, you will see how beautiful new opportunities land into your lap. Okay, there is this page and there is this knight who wants to enter your life. Okay, more so I am feeling this is personal energy. It's a very cute lovey-dovey energy that is wanting to come into your life, guys. Also, the advice here is to rest it out. Okay, make sure you are sleeping a lot, make sure you're resting a lot. Okay, because once you sleep, you actually get another it's kind of you actually get another birth. Okay, your entire system, okay, spiritually gets rebooted, even physically, but I'm talking from spiritual point of view. It gets rebooted, your vibrations are cleared, and you get a chance to start afresh. Okay, or to write a new story. So please do that, clear your vibrations, and please welcome these new beginnings that are waiting to come into your life. This is going to be a wish fulfillment. You'll realize that later on. You'll think, you'll sit back, look back and say to yourself that why did I waste so much of time that on the energy that was not good for me. Okay, that is the kind of message that is coming through very, very strongly, and I hope Capricorns, you're hearing it out. Okay, you're actually listening to what I am saying. Okay, yeah. There is the world card, karma card. Okay, definitely some karmic events, karmic churn happening for some of you guys. Like there is 10 of swords, I told you, right? Some things are definitely going to end for some of you guys, and in that case you really need to do cord cutting. Okay, you need to block this energy from your life forever, guys. Block this person, delete their number, and just clear your slate. Okay, just clear your slate. That is what is needed. I know it's going to be very, very tough, because karmic connections are not at all easy to deal with. I am sure it is going to hurt you, it is hurting you, but moving on is what is needed. Okay, karma has a role to play in our lives. We are born here to pay our karmic debts. So just take it at that and leave it at that. Okay, and move on in your life. I also told you, right, some of you guys are interacting with someone on internet, on web. You could be on a dating app, you could be on a matrimony site, I do not know, but you two guys are these are two people who are geographically at different locations. You might have not even met each other yet. You are interacting virtually with each other, but I am sure you're going to meet each other very, very soon. Okay, you could travel to see each other is what I'm saying. Okay, Four of Pentacles, some of you guys are definitely, you definitely are sitting in the energy of in a very closed energy. Okay, you're kind of, see, there is Four of Cups, there is Four of Pentacles, and there is Four of Wands. The only four and okay, I have pulled all fours, right? Oh my god, again a very rare occurrence, I have pulled all four cards of all the four suits in another reading. I don't remember which it is, and I don't remember the card, but this is happening for the second time, I think, in this month itself. Okay, and which is like wow, I think it was twos of all four suites I have pulled in another reading. I don't remember which it was, but yeah, if I'm not wrong, it was Taurus, if I'm not wrong. But anyway, so guys, all fours are here. It's really time to shift. It's really time for change. 4 is followed by 5, which talks about change. Okay, so please get up, dust that energy off you, and rest enough and be prepared for the divine timing. Okay, be surrender to the divine, listen to the divine, listen to the universe, and just let go and just let in. Okay, 4 of Pentacles. Look at how this person, look at all these cards, just look at all these cards. This person is tightly holding on to holding on to anything. It could be your money, it could be your your hurt, it could be your emotions, it could be that person, it could be anything for that matter. Okay, all you're doing, look at this person hugging, look at this boy hugging himself so tightly. Okay, not willing to open his arms, not willing to let go. Look at this person, you are definitely not willing to open up. You have put your feet are on this 2 pentacles, you're sitting on this pentacle, you're clutching and holding tightly onto 1 pentacle. Okay, and there is a door behind it, but you're not looking at it. You need to get up, walk through that door. You really don't know what's awaiting for you guys. Okay, so please let loose and let go. Okay, dust it off. Do not, I'm sure, I completely understand you are hurt about something. 4 of Cups, 5 of Cups, but guys, trust me, please trust me, there is something very very beautiful waiting for you right at the next corner, or right a step away. Okay, 4 of Wands has been stalking your energies right from pre-shuffling. Look at this happy beautiful energies that are awaiting for you guys. 11 is, by the way, divine timing. It is a card of universe. It's a card of things happening in your favor. Okay, and it's significant of everything beautiful, and it's significant of new energies and new beginnings, guys. Make sure you're making way for them. Okay, some of you guys, like I said, are definitely going to get married. I have no doubt about that. Some of you guys could relocate to another location, is also what I'm getting. You could shift house, is also what I'm seeing, and that could be a new beginning for some of you guys. Yeah. Let's quickly pull additional message from this beautiful deck. It's such a beautiful reading, by the way, Caprice. If only you can allow. Oh my god, this card just jumped. Believe in the impossible. Wow, such a beautiful message that your angels are wanting to give you, especially when you are sitting so depleted and hurt and disappointed, guys. Please don't be there are a lot of wonderful things that are lined up for you, and all you have to do is believe, all you have to do is surrender. What a beautiful message. Thank you, angels, and thank you, spirit guides, and I am just so feeling good about this. I have Capricorn in my charts, by the way, and I'm loving this reading. Let's pull another message from this beautiful deck. Okay, something. Oh my god, let go, guys. This has been the theme of your reading, and it's confirmed by the angels. And oh my god, sometimes the angels and archangels and spirit guides, they communicate so clearly and so strongly that I am left tongue tied. Okay, and yours is one such reading, guys. You really have to let go, and you really have to let in. Okay, I think I have told this like I have repeated it enough for you to understand. So I hope you get this message, and I hope you act upon it. Okay, tarot is just not for listening and living, but it's for you to incorporate or imbibe and implement, so that you see the results. Okay, so yeah, let's pull some charms and conclude the reading, guys. Teddy bear, such a cute charm, guys. For all those of you need a hug, I mean, I'm sending you virtual hugs to you. You can go and hug your friends or whoever you feel like. Okay, and hugging is very therapeutic, guys. This bear is giving me that energy. Also, guys, let go, let loose, and let your hair down and have fun. Have fun no matter what, guys. Life is too short to be sitting and sulking. Okay, so please get up and just get going. Cat Cat again teaches me one thing, and that is to stay in the present, to live in the present, to live in the moment, to accept whatever it is. And cat always tells me or gives me one stark emotion, and that is about detachment. If you see cat, it's never attached even to its owners. Okay, please don't get back cat lovers, don't get back to me, but by and large majority, that's the nature of cats, and that's the main difference between dogs and cats. Dogs are very very emotional, cats are very very practical. So yes, the message here is live in the moment, accept whatever it is, and just don't clench or hold on to anything, guys. It's not helpful. Two animals have shown up in this in charm for you. You are holding the key to your fate or to your destiny, guys. You need to take this key and you need to unlock the door. Okay, beautiful new things are awaiting for you beyond that door. Okay, all you need to do is just unlock and just pass through that door. What a beautiful message. You are holding the key to your own happiness, by the way. Star, yes, heal yourself emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually. Like I said, the Four of Swords energy is talking about healing. Okay, sleep a lot, go on vacation, take a break. Okay, chill out with your friends, do whatever it takes to have that energy shift. Okay, from sadness to a high vibe. Okay, even if it is moment by moment, day by day. Okay, do whatever is needed. Okay, reach for your dreams, guys. Star card is an Aquarian energy. It's also talking about wish fulfillments. Nine of Cups is a card of wish fulfillments. Okay, you really need to you're very close. Basically, you're very close, you're not understanding that. All you need to do is just get up and get going. That's all that is needed from you. Live your dream. Yeah, of course, I spoke about wish fulfillments right now, right? That's what this charm is also telling. Go and chase your dreams. You're very close, like very very this close. Okay, needle point close to that, to those dreams. Initial you, if at all it means anything to you, if at all it strikes any chord, person, place, pet, thing, any incident, whatever that this initial is bringing in terms of memories to you, guys. Okay, Capricorns, it was a wonderful reading, and I hope you liked it too, and I hope you have understood the message. So I'll leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.